Hello guys, welcome back to Infinite Insight Geometry, Lesson 3.3, Triangle Congruency. Alright, let's begin. So, there are three definitions for 3.3. Congruent triangles are going to be the main focus of this unit for the rest of the unit, and they really all just matter on proving triangles congruent. You have congruent figures that have the same size and shape, congruent triangles that have the same size and shape, and corresponding parts. Now the first two definitions, they're pretty easy. We know what congruency is, they have the same size and shape. So congruent figures and congruent triangles are figures and triangles that have the same size and shape. But what are corresponding parts? Corresponding parts are parts of congruent figures that are congruent to each other. So let's say you have congruent triangles. The same sides of those triangles that are congruent to each other would be corresponding parts. Corresponding parts will be very, very helpful when we get to trying to prove triangles congruent. You have two triangles and you're trying to prove that they are the same size and shape. So, if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, what are the corresponding parts? I'll give you a moment. And here are the answers. Angle A corresponds to angle D, angle B corresponds to angle E, angle C corresponds to angle F, AB corresponds to DE, AC corresponds to DF, and BC corresponds to EF. Notice how the order of the vertices matters. If triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, then triangle ABC is not necessarily congruent to triangle EFD because the order of the vertices matters. So since A and D are the first vertices named in their respective triangles, then their angles must be congruent and their sides must also be congruent. Point A and point D are the first vertices of their respective triangles. They are corresponding parts. But since point A and point E are not in the same order of their triangles, they are not corresponding parts. And that'll be all for today's lesson. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. I have my email down below if you have any questions. The next few lessons will be trying to prove triangles congruent. And I will see you all next time.